How we doing, internet? This is Chad here with Third Kind Skateboard Lights. Just going to show you real quick how to adapt our system to your drop-through deck. Check it out. First, hacksaw is the best thing to do. Many different types. You can even use a razor knife. A little trickier, a little more dangerous. Not recommended. Try and get yourself a fine-tooth bladed saw, and it's just this easy. There's a cooler here. Stick that off the edge. I'll do it one-handed. You've got these nice little cutouts here to here to here, just like connect the dots. Get your foot on it so your hands are safely away. Boom, just that easy. Now ready to fit on your drop-through deck. I'll do another one real quick to show you how fast it is. Just that easy. Now you're set up for a drop through. Enjoy, have fun. Remember, we skate too, so if you need any help, hit us up. See you at the park. And remember, support your local shredder, shop local. Check out our available shop map online at thirdkindbeyond.com. If you live somewhere where there's no shop, no worries. Hit us up and we'll ship them to you. Have a good one. Later.